Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn uh, two stories of flying. In the first part, there is his first flight. This is a very beautiful lesson. It is also motivational and also tell us how motivation can works. So here, hunger is the best motivation. It is shown through this story. Once upon a time, there was a seagull and his family. A young seagull was a small child, and it was on the mountain cliff. His family member, his mother, father, and brother and sister left the mountain cliff 2 days before. But the young seagull was not ready to take flight because he thought that his wings will not support him. He is young and he afraid to take flight. He thought that his wings will not support and he will fall in the valley, and that's why the young seagull was not ready to take flight. So it was dangerous for the young seagull to stay there because any reptile can make hunt of it, and that's why his mother and father and brother and sister all were worried about the young seagull because he was not ready to take his first flight. It was very difficult for him to take the first flight. So in the passage of time, what happens, his brother and sister started taunting him. They were flying, they were jumping, they were laughing, they were soaring high in the sky, and they were taunting to their siblings, but the young seagull was not ready to fly. He afraid, and his negativity make him very weak to make flight. So his mother, after 2 days, his mother thought that because of hunger he will die, and he was very hungry, and that's why his mother played a trick. She took a flash of fish in its beak, and she came near to the seagull, and the seagull was very hungry from last 2-3 days. That's why mother stopped here, and the young seagull dived to take the flash of that fish, but her mother threw the fish into the flash into the valley, and suddenly the young seagull found himself falling down in the valley. So he opened his wings and tried to flutter that wings, and suddenly he learned how to fly, and in this way he took his first flight, and then he enjoyed a lot. He went high, soar high with his brother and sister. They were playing ga ga ga, and they were enjoying a lot. Then his mother, he went to the pastures and the green sea, green blue sea. He sat on the water, and he suddenly going down. He started sinking, but he again learned how to swim. In this way, the young seagull learned to fly with the help of his parents and his brother and sister. This is a very motivational story because when we do any work for the first time, it is very difficult for us. But in the passage of time, when we took actual action, we come to know that it is not a tough one. If we will do like that, we can achieve success in anything. But for initial stage, sometimes it is difficult to take the first flight. With the help of this young seagull's story, we all learn that every time it is very difficult for us to take the first time, the first thing. Suppose you went to the school remember the day when you went to the school for the first time. That first day was very difficult for you, but now it is very easy for you. In this way, we can learn that first flight is very difficult, but with sheer determination and with the motivation, one can learn how to take his first flight.